Hi, please enjoy the story Dog's Lesson. There once was a place in Never 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 Land. There were 4 animals called cat, dog, bear, and turtle. One day, they all went to the beach. When they came out the water, they found some poop. Since no one told who it was, they all went home. When Cat got home, it was horribly raining. When Turtle got home, it was a cool breeze. When Bear got home, it was really snowy. When Dog got home, it was really hot, but poop everywhere. They all knew it was Dog because it happened before. So instead, they followed him home. When they got home, his poop was everywhere. "Aha," says Cat, "we knew you did it." Well, Dog learned his lesson, so they went to the beach to watch the sun. The end. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.